What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a hair video. I'm taking all my extensions out. I've been doing my hair extensions at home for a couple years now. I started with the tape-in hair extensions, but now I moved on to the beaded hair extensions. I don't know which one I like better. I go back and forth. These ones I have had in since January, so it's been about 4 months, I think, since they've been in. They've grown out a lot and they just feel like pretty gross. I freaking love my extensions. I don't want to take them out. So that's why after I take them out today, I'm gonna put them back in. I just need to move them back up and just like clean up my hair a little bit. It's been a while. First things first is I'm gonna section my hair and start from the very bottom layer. So to get out your beaded hair extensions, you need one of these tools. They look like pliers, but they have this little groove in there so that you can unclamp the bead. So here's one of my hair extensions. The bead right here. Here's the bead. I'm gonna put the bead around this part of the pliers and it's gonna clip off the extension. And just like that. Then I'm gonna take the bead off the extension and save it.
Saw you walking in the street one day, it was a Sunday. You had flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care then. Everyone was watching you, moving to the beat, cause you're swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were strutting for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself.
So this is all my hair. Scrumptious. Lots of hair. That needs to be washed and conditioned and trimmed. My hair feels like pretty dready in there. I need to comb it out and do a hair mask in the shower. I'm going to use this olive oil replenishing conditioner. I'm gonna let my hair air dry tonight because my hair has taken enough heat in its lifetime. It's gonna air dry, and tomorrow I'm going to go back in and put my lovely hair back in.
But you hide out if it's real. You can dance to 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too. So if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and now I think I found your love. Cause things have never been this good before. Such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, cause it's hard for me to walk away. Honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, it's hard for me to walk away. So if I already told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for
What's up, guys? So it's the next day and it's time to put the extensions back in my hair. So you guys saw I washed and conditioned, blow dried my extensions. I used the Donna Bella eye link extensions with their grooved beads, the dark brown color, so they blend in with my hair. So with that, you're also gonna need one of these hair threader tools, and you're going to need those pliers again. And also just like some hair ties and little clips to keep your hair out of the way. A sectioning comb with like this little part on there so you can section your hair off. And I have my extension brush. So first I'm going to section my hair off into the very bottom section. Okay, so you're gonna want to put some beads on the threader tool, and you're basically gonna start to get to work. You're gonna want to grab a piece of hair about the same thickness as one of the extensions. You're gonna put the threader tool around the hair, pull the bead on. Slide the extension under the bead. It's in there. So that's one down and about a lot to go.
Yeah. Money is the motivation. Get a job, go to work, get promoted, facelift. Made a hit, made some fans, and I'm fornicating. Had a dream, Dr. King, and I went and chased it. Yeah, I'm on a date, I think she let me taste it. I was fed up with your antics and the fucking fake shit. I ain't into all that cuff and keep that fucking bracelet. I'ma ride for the gang and that's sick. I'm rolling. Messi said it best. I mean, I'm going. I be going up. People show me love. What the fuck is up? Dab him up. Where you wanna go? I be good as fuck. I be on the road. I be taking trips. I be breaking down good weed. I be making spliffs. You be top flow. Bitch, I'm on the roof. What it do? Looking down on you. Looking up to me. Holla, hallelujah. Yeah. I'm still a fucking adolescent who your mama warned about. Look, I ain't never learned a lesson. I be pretty girl finessing. Notice your girl I been texting. Think she like the fact that I'm about to blow like the Western Wall.
So the ends of my extensions are really raggedy and uneven because they weren't all the same length to begin with. So I'm gonna trim the ends now. I got these hair cutting scissors from Sally's. So I'm just gonna trim off the ends to be more even and not so see-through down here at the end. I'm gonna get all that off.
I'm pulling with the students that you go off. Never paid attention, now the players just to go on stage. Look, everybody, now the band's up. Gonna light your mans up. Ain't I put your hands up. Skywards and listen to my words. Tell them where to find girls. Smoking on some.
See, that already looks a lot better. It's not as stringy at the ends like this side is.
I put on my fly shirt, Bacardi for my thirst. The party at 9, but who the fuck gonna ride first? Everything alright, sir? Yeah, everything alright, sir. Yeah, I run that shit back. Shades on, top down. I don't see a cop round. Gonna put my foot down. Screw. Let's get it. Yeah. Alright, we mounted to the beat, you dig? Yeah.
I try not to do too much cutting to my hair because sometimes I get too excited and I just cut way too much off.
When in high school, they ain't fuck with the boy. I mean, the gang did. We skipped the class and thought that we was on some lame shit. But now we growing up and we gon' be.
So that is how I do my own hair extensions at home. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll definitely answer them for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.